Welcome to our BizTRAQ training tutorial. In this session, we'll guide you step by step through the process of creating modules and libraries in BizTRAQ. Let's start by understanding what modules and libraries are. A module in BizTRAQ is a container that houses a collection of libraries. It serves as a structural unit within the system, defining security boundaries and organizing related business functions. A library in BizTRAQ is a structured collection within a module that maintains records, data items, and associated business logic. It serves as the core data repository and operational unit within a module, providing functionalities such as data management, workflows, forms, and security settings. For example, you can create a custom module called Human Resources and add libraries such as employee folders, policies and procedures, and benefits. Now, let's move on to adding a custom module. We'll create a new module called Training and Development. First, log into your BizTRAQ account. Once logged in as an admin, locate the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will show options to select Settings, User, and Groups. From the list, click on Settings. Next, click on the plus sign next to the Custom Modules tab. A form will pop up for creating the new module. Let's fill in the details for our new module. Name. Let's enter Training and Development. For description, let's enter a module for managing employee training programs, development plans, and educational resources. For module type, let's select Records from the drop-down menu. Choose an appropriate icon that represents training and development. Once you've filled in the required information, click on the Save button. The next interface will ask you to set the access permissions for the new module. You can set the permissions for which users will have insert, update, and delete access. Remember to give yourself permissions too to be able to view the module. After setting the permissions, click on Submit. You will now see the new module, Training and Development, on the left menu. After creating a module, you can add libraries to it. Right-click on the Training and Development module and select Add Child. You'll see a form to create a library. Let's create a library called Training Programs. Let's allow access to users by checking the box next to it. Review the details of your library to ensure everything is set up correctly. You can always go back and modify any settings if needed. Once satisfied, click on the Save button to finalize the setup. Congratulations! You've successfully created a new module, Training and Development, along with its library, Training Programs. That concludes our tutorial on creating modules and libraries in BizTRAQ. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.